Choose a quiet place. Sit comfortably on a chair with back supported, or you may even choose to lie down. Palms of your hands facing upwards. Gently close your eyes. In today's guided meditation, I'm going to take you on a journey to connect with Mother Nature. Everything in nature is made up of five elements, and so are we. Connecting with nature is connecting with yourself. Allow yourself to connect with nature and embrace that relaxation, peace, and joy that you always wanted. See yourself resting in a beautiful place in midst of the nature where you always wanted to be. Feel the temperature of the air touching your body. Now focus on the sounds of the nature. As you focus on the sounds of the nature, see your body and mind relaxing. See yourself walking on the moist green grasses which are touching your feet gently as you walk, carrying your baby in your womb. I give you some time to completely enjoy this moment in the lap of the Mother Nature with your baby. It is just your baby, you, and the Mother Nature. Hear the sounds of the nature. Smell the fragrance of the nature. See the colors of the nature. Feel the temperature of the air touching your body. Feel it, enjoy it, and embrace it till I further guide you. You are feeling peaceful and joyful. Feel the peace within you. See yourself sinking into a deep state of joy. You are connected with Mother Nature. It is not just you who is connected with nature, but it is your baby too. You are very happy. Feel the happiness within you. The more you are connected with the nature, the more you feel the joy. the more you feel the joy, the more you are connected with the nature. With this extreme peaceful and joyful state, see yourself dancing. You are dancing in joy. Your baby can feel your joy. Your baby can feel your happiness. Your baby is eager to meet you and this beautiful world. Now that we have come to the end of this meditation, I give you some time to talk to your baby. Talk to your baby till I further guide you. When you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes. Come back to the present moment.